What?
It's
Here,
peach,
Mom, get the bubbles.
It's peach flavored. Go ahead, Gail. Bubbles, Bella.
Get him. Good girl. Shoot yourself in the... Ready? Hope. There you go. Get him. I get him.
She's practically leapt onto my coffee table to chase after one.
Higher up, Gail. Higher up. Okay, Mom. There you go down. Get him, Bella. Get him. Bella, bubble, Bella, bubble, Bella, bubble, Bella, bubble. Oh, head bubble. Ready? Yay, way to headbutt the bubble. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella.
Oh, don't ram into the fireplace.
Down. Get it, Mom. Get it, Mom. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella.
Up.
Get it. She goes, forget this. Get him on the chair. Come on, here. What's going on with this freaking bubble?
Yeah!